Canon fans are excited about the rumored Canon EOS R9. This new camera might become the next big thing in Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup. Many people think it will bring great features at a fair price, making it perfect for both photographers and videographers. The RF lens mount is designed for future lens development. Large mount diameter plus short flange distance, allowing faster optics and improved performance. The autofocus system offers very wide coverage and high flexibility. In a f-point selection useful for varied compositions. The variangle touchscreen is helpful for shooting from low, high angles or for video work. 4K video and external HDMI 10-bit output make it more than just a stills camera, viable for hybrid photo, video workflows. Good value for full-frame mirrorless, especially considering lens mount ecosystem and adapter compatibility. F lenses can be used 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS, SENS or approx. 3624mm, Digic 8 image processor, native ISO range 100 to 40,000 stills. Lens mount, Canon RF mount and can use EF/PFS lenses via adapter. Autofocus, dual pixel CMOS AF, up to 5,655 selectable AF points. Very wide AF coverage. Viewfinder and screen, 0.5 inch. OLED EVF approx. 3.69 million dots. 3.15 variangle. Touchscreen back LCD approx. 2.1 million dots. Continuous shooting, up to approximately 8 FPS in stills for bursts. Video, 4K UHD up to approximately 30 FPS. Full HD up to 60 fps. Includes HDMI 10-bit 4222 output. Body and build, magnesium alloy body, dust and weather sealed to an extent. Connectivity, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth built-in. Great choice for full frame. Photography, portraits, landscapes. General use with high resolution and modern mirrorless features. Also suitable for hybrid creators, photo plus video. Thanks to 4,000 and external HDMI capabilities, high resolution, full frame sensor. The EOS R uses a 30.3 MP full frame CMOS sensor. That means more detail, especially when you crop or print large. For example, tests found very nice 30-40 inch prints up to ISO 800. Great for portraits, landscapes, and any work where resolution matters. 2. Strong color rendering and detail at low ISOs. Reviewers noted that from ISO 100 to 800, the noise is almost invisible and fine detail is excellent. Canon's signature color science. Mean skin tones and natural-looking colors are very good. 3. Good dynamic range and usable high ISO range. According to DxOMark testing, the sensor achieved an overall score of 89, with especially strong low-light ISO score. In practical shooting, reviewers found the camera handled night scenes, shadows, and contrast well, while noise and loss of detail creep in at very high ISOs, for example, ISO 25,600 plus. The camera remains usable for many purposes, full-frame look and shallow depth of field. With a full-frame sensor, you'll get more background separation, i.e., nice bokeh when using wide apertures compared to crop sensors.